I'm Katie Danielson, an assistant professor in the School of Education at the University of Portland. You know, the reason why I love doing the work that I do is because I was previously a classroom teacher, which was amazing. But as a classroom teacher, I saw that there were a lot of needs, particularly around reading instruction, which is kind of what led me to say, how can we better support teachers as they're entering schools and the field? All of my classes are about how we teach children to read and write. My job is really ensuring that our students at the University of Portland have that knowledge and that practice, not just that they know that there are 6 types of syllables, but what does it look like to teach a classroom of children about those syllables. So this year I was appointed to the Oregon Early Literacy Preparation Council by our governor, and our work is really looking at what do teachers and administrators need to know about reading and writing before they come into classrooms or into new roles as school leaders. Serving on the governor's council is just critical work, and it's really important and directly connected to the work I do at the University of Portland in saying what do we need to prepare future teachers to know and be able to do in classrooms. I think the most important thing I always tell students is to bring the joy, that like your number one role in that classroom is to create children who are curious and want to learn more and see something in the world and come to school and ask you about it and want to find out some answers in books and talking to their classmates. And so yes, I want them all to also be able to teach every child in their classroom to read and write, but I always say that joy is number one.